Ciao, my name is Nina, and today I'm going to make coffee, but not in the machine, in this one, la caffettiera. I grew up with this one. First you put the water up to here, just past here. I call this the nipple. And then you put the coffee, and then you put this on top. You don't squash the coffee, huh? Yes. And then you put this on top, and then you put on the stove. And you know it's ready because it makes a noise like this. Then you turn off the stove, and it still makes a noise, you know, but more quiet.